Hello everyone, this is Ma'am Shea Eklabush and let me share with you our experience during our staycation at Kingsford Hotel in Parañaque City. I booked the deluxe room for 3,000 pesos per room per night without breakfast during the Philippine Travel Mart Book and Buy promo of Mega World Hotels. The standard check-in time is 3 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 noon. We arrived siguro almost 3 p.m. na rin nun. So tara, room tour tayo. Dito muna kami sa kwarto na nahiwalay. Though ni-request ko naman na sana adjacent yung mga kwarto. However, kasi nga subject to availability, may isang naligaw sa kabilang wing, though same floor naman. So meron siyang twin bed and a view ng Grand West Side, which is also a hotel owned by Mega World Corporation. As you can see, maaliwalas naman, though medyo masikip lang talaga sa room. The usual na makikita mo naman sa room is yung, of course, yung personal ref and coffee making facility. Merong electric kettle. And i-check naman natin yung dalawang rooms na awa ng Diyos. Nabigyan naman ng connecting room even if subject to availability. Ayan, yung isang room naka-double bed siya and then yung isang room ay naka-twin bed. So, check natin yung CR. Ayan. So, ayun yung dalawang bath towels and then toothbrushes. Wala silang glass dito for the toothbrush sa bathroom. Wala din silang hand towel and face towel just like the usual. Good thing they promote sustainable tourism using refillable bottles for the bath soap, shampoo, and conditioner. So, this is what the double bed looks like and ganyan yung size niya. And then, there's no wardrobe cabinet dito sa Kingsford. Pero may provided silang ganyan, rack and space where you can put your luggage and your mga things. Which I also think is beneficial kasi maaliwalas tignan and walang nakakatakot na parang anytime merong lalabas. May provided silang mugs, of course, for the coffee and plastic pitcher na pwede mong i-refill sa water station, electric kettle, and yung highball glass para sa mga drinks. Meron ding maliit na couch and in fairness, maganda ang binigay na view sa amin. Kasi though city view ang tawag nila, nakikita yung pool and yung side din ng Okada. So, ito nga pala yung water station nila, unlimited refill, which is an advantage, I think, para sa mga guests. Aside from the room service, meron silang Kingsford Cafe kung saan nandito yung buffet breakfast which we did not avail during our stay kasi nababasa ko sa feedback na masyadong mahahaba ang pila. Meron din sila ditong quick to go for the cakes and pastries kung meron magbe-birthday sa inyo or just want to grab some snacks, available din dito. Right beside Quick to Go, meron silang Sabana Bar for their cocktails and meron din actually doon sa poolside. And of course, let's go to our favorite part. This is my top consideration kapag ka nag-staycation kami sa isang hotel. Ito yung swimming pool. Alam nyo naman ng mga bagets, ang talagang pinaka-favorite part nila ng staycation ay ang pag-swimming. So, ito yung swimming pool nila. Ito yung sa dulong part na parang maliit na triangle. Dito yung jacuzzi. Parang nag-o-open siya every 30 minutes, I think, or every after 45 minutes. So, ayan, aantayin nyo lang ng konti. Maliit lang siya, pero at least nakaka-relax naman. And the good thing about their swimming pool, ang pinakamalalim na ay 3 feet, which is very perfect talaga kapag nag-staycation kayo with the kids. Kaya naman, wag kayong magtataka, it can get really crowded at times. Lalo na kapag weekends, so don't be surprised. Minsan medyo makati na yung tubig. I am also amazed by the cleanliness ng CR doon besides sa swimming pool. Kasi as in sobrang linis. May mga locker room siya, toilet room, and shower room. Ito nga pala yung kanilang sauna which is also complimentary use kapag ikaw ay check-in guest. Hindi ko siya na-try kasi medyo nasyosokot ako since nasa dulong part siya sa loob ng CR. And wala naman akong nakasabay. So, mabalik nga pala tayo dito sa aming room. Ito yung mismong room namin. And another advantage ng room namin is malapit kami doon sa water station. So, ang bilis na mag-refill paglabas lang ng pinto. So, room tour tayo dito sa aming deluxe twin room na meron ding city view. So, ito siya. Ayan yung connecting room na ni-request ko. Kung nakita niyo yung video kanina, yung may double bed ang ka-connecting room namin. Ito yung 2 single beds na I can say na kasyang-kasya lang kaming 4. So, 2 bata and 2 adults. And then, meron din silang television na meron namang cable pero hindi kompleto yung channels. And maganda yung view na binigay sa amin kasi tanaw na tanaw yung pool at kung makikita nyo naman, sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ang mga bagets kasi ang open time ng swimming pool nila ay 6 AM hanggang 9 PM. So, sino ba naman ang hindi mag-enjoy dyan? Want to sawa ka, umaga hanggang gabi ka pwedeng mag-swimming. Ayun nga lang, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, minsan sobrang crowded kasi hindi sila mahigpit dito sa number of packs na pwedeng mag-swimming per room. Which is of course an advantage kapag medyo nagtitipid ka. Pero of course disadvantage para sa iba kasi masyadong crowded, 'di ba? Ang virus ngayon, hindi mo masabi kasi baka magkahawaan. So ayun, medyo pag-uwi namin nagkasakit yung mga bagets. Hindi ko alam kung saan sila nahawa sa sobrang dami kasi na nagsiswimming. Hindi rin sila mahigpit sa food dito. So, pwede kayong mag-order sa mga motorcycle delivery services such as Grab, Foodpanda, etc. Pwedeng nyong ipasok dito sa hotel yung mga in-order nyo. Nagustuhan ko nga rin pala yung pillow nila dito kasi sakto lang yung lambot niya. Hindi siya yung sobrang OA na pag humiga ka parang wala ka nang nahiga ang unan. Sobrang, relaxing siya. So, if I were to rate our stay, siguro I will give it 3/5 stars kasi hindi ako masyadong satisfied with the service. Nababagalan ako sa pagsagot nila ng phone and sa pag-respond nila ng mga concerns and needs doon sa room. And of course, yung FO agent nila, medyo maramot rin sila sa pag-smile. Yung smile na parang, alam mo lang na ngumiti, hindi siya ganun ka-welcoming for me ha. Kasi I would compare sa Lime Hotel. Iba yung warmth and hospitality na mararamdaman mo talaga doon eh. Doon yung mga housekeeping staff naman and mga bellman are mga smiling face naman. And then sa pool policy as in tinuro pa ni ate sa asawa ko na kumakain ng wikat na no food allowed. Okay, sige, naintindihan namin. So, tinabi namin. Pero the next morning, my goodness, nakakita ako ng umiinom ng coffee ng McDo and kumakain doon sa gilid ng pool ng McDonald's food. 'Di ba? Very inconsistent. I would also ask opinions sa brothers and sisters ko kasi kasama ko rin naman sila nung nag-check-in sa Lime. And same yung opinion, mas maganda ang service ng Lime. Actually, na-appreciate ko yung Lime nung nag-request ako ng pa-birthday something para sa husband ko. New Year kasi ang birthday niya. So, pagpasok pa lang ng room, may happy birthday channel na sa LED TV and then yung slice ng cake, happy birthday. Diba, New Year yun, super peak season. Well, dito, even if I requested, ayan, dineliver lang sa room. I even requested this during the reservation. I think it's lacking yung personal touch para dun sa guest, diba? Kasi we stayed here to celebrate yung 8th birthday ng aking bunso. So, I was not expecting much naman because this is a complimentary. But it's not about the complimentary slice of cake kasi we have naman our own cake. But it's the gesture. Diba? On how you want your guests to feel special. So, yun lang. So, disclaimer lang guys ha. This is based on our personal experience during our stay. Okay? Bye!